In the market for a 2010 Holden Commodore. This vehicle has all the features you could dream of, with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.